hardwire and permanent power to the cameras. To install the app, that's also very easy. You just open the manual, there's a QR code which you can scan, and then you download the app, and everything you can see automatically it starts recording. And then I start going through a few of the menus. So I turn the Wi-Fi on and all the SD card formatting option over there. And as you can see, all the cameras are triggered, and you can see my hands moving in the various cameras as I move around. And now it's connected as a Wi-Fi connection, so we can add it to the app. And once that happens, you can then see what's happening on the screen to what's happening on the phone or whatever device you're connecting with, and you can cycle through the different cameras on that screen as well. So you can move from the front, the left, the right, and the rear. As you can see now what I'm doing, it's cycling through those and showing the view of each of those. It's very responsive, it's very quick, and obviously with the size of the videos that are downloaded, each one is recorded in a separate folder if you do take the SD card out and use the SD card reader they've given you, which is really cool.